Omo guys, no be small thing, hold up. I'm gonna play the rest of the clip for us to take a look at the rest of the moment. Man, this is massive. Davido splashed millions of naira to acquire a brand new SUV for Chioma as a gift on their traditional marriage. Man, this is massive. This have gotten a lot of people talking. I believe some haters now go they cry because all the things happening to Chioma, they never wanted it to happen, but God big past them. Enjoy the rest of the moment and let me know what you guys have to say about this. After a lot of promises Davido have given to Chioma, Davido also splashed this lot of money to acquire an SUV for Chioma on their wedding day. What are your thoughts? Let me know via the comment section. Enjoy the rest of the clip and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, hit the bell notification button to always get notified whenever I drop videos like this. I remain your favorite Big Vicky. I'm out.
See that woman? Come on for road, bro.
Oh, one.
CP.
Eh?
I love you, BT. I love you.
I love you too. The world
I
loves
wish, listen, all my friends are here. My whole family is here. I wish you were here, but I know another time, maybe when my twins don't want.
That's the one I'm coming to. We are happy. The whole world is happy. Everybody.
BT, we don't scatter Nigeria.
No, it's scattered. I know.
Everybody here. Governor, everybody.
I'm happy.
Dan is here, sir.
I've seen him now. I'm proud of you. The whole world is happy.
I swear. My wife is so happy.
Wow.
This is the best day of my life. I swear.
Wow.
This is the best day of my life.
You know me do. We are all happy. We are watching till morning. I'm a
You never start, oh. Just a wait, oh. Just a never start.
I love it. Daniel.
All right, sir.
Well done.